Hey, welcome to ALAS, AI and Automation as a Service. My name is Alex, AI and Automation Expert. Today, I'm excited to show you how to build an automated content machine that transforms RSS feeds into SEO-optimized blog posts and viral social media content. This powerful automation blueprint is available on aalas.me. This automation is a game changer. It monitors your RSS feed for new articles, rewrites content using GPT-4 for SEO, creates custom thumbnails using Google Slides, auto-publishes to WordPress, generates engaging posts for LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Let's start by setting up the RSS module. Adding your RSS URL, configuring filtering parameters if needed. This ensures you never miss new content. By the way, we will not go deep in details, but if you want us to explain how to set up each module, please let us know on the comments section. We want to provide for you the best possible experience. Let's continue, for ChatGPT configuration is the heart of this automation. Why? It extracts the SEO keyword from your competitor article that ranked him first on Google, then it rewrite the title, WordPress content optimization, effective meta description generation, SEO-friendly slug creation, and each prompt is carefully crafted for maximum effectiveness. You can find all of these resources and GPT prompts on AAS resources page. After that, the image creation process, using Google Slides as a template, generating automatic title and hooks, then download and WordPress upload the media. This ensures consistent, professional visuals for every post. For the publishing, it happens in several steps. Featured image upload, HTML content formatting, metadata configuration, then automatic publication. Everything is SEO optimized from the start. As you see, the article is published on our blog, then we turn that article into a social media content post, using this ChatGPT module to increase engagement and bring traffic to our website. This automation will optimize your content creation workflow. Get this blueprint on aaas.me and don't forget to like and subscribe for more intelligent automation solutions.